Today, I am reviewing the Rabbit Air A3 SPA-1000N Air Purifier. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I've spent several months testing the Rabbit Air A3 SPA-1000N, and after living with it in a high-traffic home with pets, I can say that it is truly in a league of its own compared to the standard towers you find at big box stores. When you first invest in an air purifier at this level, you expect more than just a fan and a filter, and the A3 delivers an experience that feels genuinely premium from the moment you take it out of the box. The first thing that struck me was the sheer versatility of the design. Most air purifiers are eyesores that you try to hide in a corner, but the A3 is actually beautiful. It is sleek, slim, and has a very modern aesthetic that earned it those design awards. I chose to take advantage of the wall mount feature, which is a total game changer for a small home. By getting it off the floor, I regained valuable square footage, and it looks more like a piece of high-tech art than an appliance. The mood lighting is a subtle touch that adds a nice ambience at night, though you can easily turn it off if you prefer total darkness. When it comes to performance, the 6-stage filtration system is where the A3 justifies its price. I opted for the Germ Defense version because I am particularly concerned about airborne pathogens during flu season. The fact that it captures particles down to 0.1 microns at over 99% efficiency provides a massive peace of mind. I noticed a physical difference in the air quality within just an hour of turning it on. The air feels lighter and noticeably crisper. In a large room of about 1,000 square feet, it moves an incredible amount of air, cycling over 8,000 cubic feet every half hour. You can actually feel the circulation in the room, yet it never feels like a drafty fan is blowing on you. One of my biggest pet peeves with air purifiers is the noise. Most of them sound like a jet engine on the high settings and have an annoying hum on the low settings. The Rabbit Air A3 is the quietest unit I have ever encountered. On its lowest setting, it runs at about 20 decibels, which is literally a whisper. I have it in my bedroom, and I often have to check the app just to make sure it is actually running because I cannot hear it at all. Even when the air quality sensor detects something, like when I am cooking in the kitchen and the sensors pick up the smoke or odors, it ramps up to a higher speed smoothly. Even at higher speeds, the sound is a very pleasant, white noise type of hum rather than a mechanical clatter. The smart features are equally impressive. The Rabbit Air app is intuitive and connects via Wi-Fi very reliably. I love the NFC filter tracking because it takes the guesswork out of maintenance. It tells you exactly how much life is left in your filters based on your actual usage, not just a generic timer. Under 24/7 use, the filters last about a year, which is fantastic because I hate having to remember to buy replacements every few months. The real-time air quality monitoring is also fascinating to watch. You can see the lights change on the unit or check the graph in the app to see how the air quality fluctuates throughout the day. The customization is the final cherry on top. Being able to choose between specialty filters like the toxin absorber or the odor remover means you can tailor the machine to your life. For me, the combination of the BioGS HEPA technology and the Germ Defense filter has drastically reduced my seasonal allergy symptoms. I no longer wake up with a stuffy nose, and the lingering smell of dinner is gone by the time I head to bed. In summary, the Rabbit Air A3 is a powerhouse of engineering disguised as a piece of decor. It is ultra-quiet, incredibly effective at scrubbing the air of everything from dust to viruses, and the wall mount capability is a brilliant space saver. It is an investment in your health and your home's environment that pays off every single time you take a deep breath. If you're looking for the gold standard in home air purification, this is undoubtedly the unit to get.